Today, we'll be exploring the Python strings and operators, slicing, reversing, and performing math operations. Everything a beginner needs to start coding effectively. So come, let's get started. This is day 4 Python video for AI. We're focusing on strings and operations. So why does this matter? Strings represents the text data. In AI and ML, text data comes from datasets, user inputs, APIs, logs, and etc. So knowing how to manipulate string is key for pre-processing. So you should definitely know these things, and that's what I'm going to teach you here. So string lets you store, manipulate, and format text for AI projects. It can slice, clean, and transform your data. Now let's take a look at the code. First is creating a string. We create a string by assigning it in these formats. If you assign like this, it's going to be a string in one line. You can also use the single quotes. You can also use this kind of a triple double quotes, and that's called multi-line string. So these are the different ways that you can use string assignment. Now let's take a look at the string operation. So again, we assign something to two variables. You can actually concatenate by using a plus. We're going to see these things in the demo. I'm going to put a breakpoint. Next is, how do you repeat a string? There is an inbuilt way of repeating a string. If you use asterisk into whatever that number, it is going to repeat the string 3 times. That's called string repetitions. Okay, it's a cool feature, right? Next is accessing the characters and indexing. So let's focus on here. Text is a variable we assign Python, and in order to get the substring of a text, you can use this like this. You can use text of 0. Here the first one represents the starting location, the start, and then the comma separated the extra one. So here the first one represents the start and the second one represents the end. So for example, the copilot is already suggesting me like this. I'm going to give like this, but instead of 1, let's assign 0. Which means what is going to happen? It is going to take from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here, but always it is 4. Whatever the number is minus 1. So it's basically 4 characters from the starting index. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer will be byte. And you can also assign or take a minus 1. So minus 1 means it will come in the reverse. Let me give an example. So this is how it looks for minus. You see this Python, it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the index, and also it starts in the reverse. So when you ask for minus 1, it will take n and print. Now let's focus on something called slicing. The next is slicing. So for slicing, again, we just saw start and end. It takes this code, it prints this. Start is there is no end. So it starts from 2. You see this? It starts from here and it goes on till the end, which means it takes everything. Now there's no start, but it has the end, which means always the start is going to be 0. So it's going to print pyt. So these are the useful string methods that you can use, and I'm giving you this as an example. So next comes the formatting of string. So how do you format a string? If you have coming from the C# background, we use a dollar symbol. So here we have two things assigned to variables. If you use F before the double quotes, and then you can use the curly bracket to substitute the value of the variable. So here Alice scored 95 in AI class. That's the F string. It's available from Python 3+, and that is how you format. Now let's take a look at another example. Here you go. I have like this. So I have a text assigned, and to make it clean, you use the strip method that will trim off all of the space, and then if you make it as lowercase, it all becomes lowercase. We print it. Let's run this and see. I'm assigning. You can see all of this coming up, and see, it's gonna substitute these values. And you can also see something getting printed here, and here you go. This is very important. You see this? This is how the slicing and indexing works. We get these value -1, and I explained you why it is. Here's the explanation, and here you go. we're getting what was desired to get, and then this is how it formats. Alright guys, so I hope you have learned something here, and please remember there are worksheet here. Come and do and practice this by yourself. Okay, I'll take a separate video for all of the worksheet, but I'm not going to give you at the moment. Let's learn, practice by ourselves so that you can rock in AI world. So stay tuned, hit that like button and the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video, which is day 5 Python of list and tuples. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!